I got Hoover, about 8%. I got that to right there. I got my cookies. Here's my people I use. So wrap through. And I can make this. I'm buying game. There's the bushel. The buds in good condition. I use this for a barrel. The buds look good. No hay. You have this one. That's got clean. If I was using my bishop or my shack, which I'm putting away Tuesday, I thought I'd scrap it. I'd have been dirty with my hose. With that piece. I got this. That works, but I use it too much to cook. And that's my brush, but I'm thinking into my cleaning closet. I broke. Now I will put it in the back. Just that's pretty much clean. The only thing that needs to be cleaned is that piece. Which I'm gonna use this pie. I don't know when. I got it down. Hang on. I have 3 rackets I used. I had one. It was a Hoover. It was just like that one right there. And it broke, so the motor burned up. So it's in the back of my shop right now. I'm gonna scrap it. And then I have this one, and then I have a Barney Dyson DC25, I think. That works. It's a good vacuum. I just don't use it more. I use this more. Just real quick. I don't have too much time. I might have to shoot 2 videos. Hey, Monkey Gamer, what's up, Monkey Gamer? Monkey Gamer, tomorrow I'm gonna do a little video for you, just for you. Go. Yeah, Monkey Gamer, I'm gonna do a video for you tomorrow at play. I don't know. Look what I got. Not me, Monkey Gamer, but I don't know if I can show. I don't know if I can show. I don't know if I can show his face. So thank you for the sound.